Hey, what's up, SLP coin holder? What's going on this time, my friend? As you can see here, SLP will pump up from last 12. However, I can't expect this to 1.9%. The SLP price will pump up, but definitely that's really great news for all of you, my friends. To price is increasing because when short-time investors starting holding, my friend, and start selling, then the price will increasing. So the first good news is that, and the second good news is also very important. I am going to explain now. But please, holders, if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe this channel, because if you want to earn money from crypto, you will need to subscribe this ABS Tech channel to get a very huge profit. So don't miss this chance to get a profit, my friend. Please subscribe this channel. My friends, SLP price will be pumping up after the 5th November. The very huge explosion is coming soon, my friend, and I will give you 100% guarantee to, if you subscribe my channel. Just and only check out after 5th November I also make a video, so just check out my 5th November video. If they will not moving upward, just and only unsubscribe my channel. So therefore I will give you guarantee to after the 5th November they will moving upward. So therefore please, you will need to hold. And if you were my friend not a holder, then absolutely buy it, my friend, before 5th November. I hope they will suddenly moving upward, so I hope you will get a very good profit if you buy it before 5th November. So the 5th November explosion is very important for all of you. Don't miss this chance, my friends. Please take a risk and get 100% profit. I hope the SLP price will increase and they will make a record, my friend, in the crypto market. So thanks for watching, SLP coin holders. Kindly like video and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Allah Hafiz, take care, see you next time.